If your melodies aren't sticking, it's because you're making one of these 6 mistakes. Fix these, and your music will be 10 times more memorable. Let's dive in. Most composers get melody completely wrong. They think it's about fancy notes. Wrong. The real secret, it's about the intervals. Listen to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Here Comes the Bright. What do they have in common? They use strong interval jumps. Here is your action step. Start composing melodies using a big leap first, like a 4th or a 5th. Stop stepping from note to note all the time, but jump. Now you can surround these jumps with wonderful little steps later, and this creates tension and makes melodies stand out. Play the same melody over different chord progressions. Watch how it transforms the mood. Let's listen to that. Here's a pro tip even. Try swapping out just one chord in a progression and see how it reshapes your melody. What do Mozart, the Beatles, and video game soundtracks all have in common? They repeat melodies, but with variation. This is called a melodic motif. Play a short melody. Now, alter just one thing, the rhythm, the pitch, maybe an inversion. See how it stays recognizable but feels fresh. And this is your challenge now. Take any melody you wrote and modify it slightly. Change one note, one rhythm, one contour. Have you ever noticed how duets sound more interesting than solos? This is called counterpoint. It's when 2 melodies work together but remain independent. Think of your melody as a character and add a second supporting actor. Why does music feel emotional? The answer is dynamics. A soft verse makes the chorus hit harder. A sudden change grabs attention. Here's an example. Imagine a speech with no volume changes. Boring, right? Your music is the same. Try this. Take any melody and drastically shift dynamics. Whisper it softly. Then play it powerfully and loud. Most people write melodies in isolation, but pro composers, they think in layers. Here's an example. Take a single melody and play it as a solo, then with a pad underneath it, and then with counterpoint. Here's your challenge again. Try writing 3 different textures for the same melody. And this will give you fantastic variation to play with. Use just one of these tips today, and I guarantee your melodies will become way more memorable. Now, which technique are you trying first? Drop me a comment. I actually read all of them. Subscribe if you want your music to stick out and become more original. That's what I do, and that is what I want you to achieve. This was Frank. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you back in the next one. Bye.